Welcome to Xtruments. Xtruments is a live AR audio experience. First, find your Xtruments and select a sample. After selecting a sample, you can play it with the source coming from the card. Now let's synchronize to make sure that the sounds always start at the same point in time. When you move your instruments around, you will notice that the spatial sound will reflect their position in space. If you want more instruments, or you just want to move them more flexibly, you can just eject them using the eject button. On your right wrist, you will find a hand menu for global controls. Using this menu, you can finally also spawn effect needles that you can use to apply specific filters to your instrument. Warning, this feature is still work in progress. That was Xtruments. Thank you for watching.